Do you want to get ChatGPT Business for unlimited time? So this video is for you. Okay, let's start. In today's video, I will tell you how you can get ChatGPT Premium for unlimited time for free without adding any debit card or credit card or any details. Just by following simple steps, you can get your ChatGPT business account. So let's start. First of all, you need to log in your ChatGPT account. Okay, you can see here this is chatgpt.com website, and I did not log in any account here. So for this, I will come to a website Oxam. Okay, this website. So we need to sign up on this website. Okay, we will register. For registration, we will use temporary mail, temp mail. You can see this is tempmail.org website. Okay, so simply I will copy this email address and come to this website. Okay, just simply add any name. Okay, email and contact number. Simply enter 10-digit mobile number. Okay, now enter strong password. Okay, now simply create account. So you can see here, if you need Canva, you can activate by clicking on this link. Okay, and if you need ChatGPT, so you need to click on this link. Okay, you can see these are the login details. So I will simple copy this. Okay, this email, and will come to ChatGPT. Simply continue. Okay, and now go back to that website and copy password. Okay, they are asking for verification code OTP. Okay, so go back to this website. Okay, and click on this link. Simply copy this code and paste it here and continue. Now you need to continue with Oxam. Okay, this workspace. So you can see here, this is ChatGPT Pro, and our current plan is, if we purchase this plan, this will cost 8,499 rupees in PKR. Okay, so about 30 to $35, and we got it without any cost, totally free. So you can see here, these are the free plans. So without any cost, we got it. This is ChatGPT 5.2, and this is Pro model. Okay, now simply you can generate images. You can, you can using it for code, for generate prompts for